fam. If I'm gonna get a video in this week, it's not gonna be cool hot rod stuff. So this week we've got a 2020 Ford Escape. My dad just bought that for a really good deal and got it for my third daughter because she really needs a car. But we got to get this thing to Ohio, and so my wife said, "Hey, we're making a trip to Ohio anyway." My oldest daughter, was looking for some furniture because she's having a baby, and we found this really filthy stuff here in Daytona. And my wife asked me, "Can you clean it up?" I checked it over and made sure it didn't have bed bugs or anything crazy like that. No bugs, but I did go ahead and spray it. And now we're gonna see if we can get it to clean up. But we paid 20 bucks for it.
Oh my God. I am never gonna financially recover from this.
And it's what she wanted, and it should clean up really nice. So let's get started on this, and then we're gonna move right on to the Ford Escape. It needs all the interior done, and then we got some repairs to do to it, and then we're gonna be taking a trip to Ohio. So here I'm doing my pre-soaking, and I'm using an Ecolab 3-in-1 carpet cleaner that's available at Home Depot. It's not a paid promotion, it's just the solution that I like to use. I like to use the solution in a hand pump because I don't like to put it in the machine. I like to put just hot water in the machine so that I can get a full extraction with hot water. And it also gives me time to pre-soak without pulling the solution out, and then I can do agitation before I do the extraction. After about 10 minutes of waiting, then I go ahead and agitate it around with my drill brush. I'll have a link to these available in my Amazon store, and that link will be in the description. But I just used a standard Milwaukee drill and agitate that around real good, and then give it a little bit more time to soak. This is always the most satisfying part, just watching that brown nastiness go up that clear sight tube. You can just see it all coming out of there. And I just keep extracting with hot water until this thing runs clear. And you can see the results almost immediately with one pass. But it took about 10 passes before the water ran clear. The chair is disgusting. vegetation. Oh, battery's dead. Put that dude on charge. Alright, let's see the pour. Let's see the goody goodness that came out of this thing.
So it looks like you're enjoying yourself. Oh, yeah, that looks like you're enjoying. Oh, hey, you okay? You
I'm okay.
oh,
Alright, that was pretty nasty. Well, I think my daughter's really going to like this chair. And hopefully you liked the video. And if you did, like and subscribe and give us a follow. We sure appreciate you watching our video. And we're out on this one. Hope you enjoyed this transformation.